Hello guys, TavHD here and welcome back to another video, and today we will be doing an unboxing, and today we are unboxing an Apple Watch. Now if you remember back in the day in circa 2018 I unboxed a Series 4 Apple Watch. I don't wear it anymore, I don't really care about Apple Watches, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this brand new Series 10 Apple Watch. So I guess we're going to see what is different compared to mine from all those years ago. I've not watched the keynote or anything to know what this one's all about, so I will be learning as I go today. Now this isn't mine, this is someone else's. I'm unboxing it on their behalf, and let's just get started with this. There is a new symbol on the side from last time. Apparently that means it's carbon neutral or something like that. This whole box looks very thin and not much going on. It does still say Apple Watch on the front, and on the back it has some information. It includes Apple Watch band and USB-C charger cable, so it doesn't come with a brick, but I wouldn't expect one from Apple in this day and age. It says power adapter sold separately, requires iPhone XS or newer, so that is good to know. And I believe the way to open this box is the same as it was with mine all those years ago. You just pull the flaps and it should open. I think I ripped mine last time, but here we go. Nice pretty box. There is the Apple Watch. We'll pretend that doesn't exist. And here is the strap. This is a blue strap. I think it's called the Sport strap. I've not seen one of these more modern cloth straps before, so let's go ahead and open it. We've got one of those fancy green pull tabs on it that Apple is keen on using. That didn't really come out nicely. However, there we are, and it gives us instructions on how to install it, but I think it's quite self-explanatory. So let's get that out. There it is. It is indeed the Velcro-y sort of strap. And out it comes. Alright, so now let's take a look at the actual watch itself. As it says on here, it is a Series 10 with silver aluminium case, so this is the base spec, I suppose you could think of it that way. There's some boring information no one cares about there, and then two more pull tabs. So let's pull these and see what we are dealing with. Hopefully when I pull this there'll be a nice bit of suspense. Not really, however. Good quality solid box. The Apple Watch still comes in a felt little case, does it? No, it doesn't. That is paper. It's like in a papery sachet, which I suppose is more eco-friendly than a nice little silken velvet thing. However, I'd prefer to have a silken velvet thing. In here, I'm guessing we have our charging cable, which we do. It's one of the more modern braided ones, which is nice to see. There we are, tells you how to charge it. Again, that seems like quite a basic thing, but at least they do bother to explain it. I'm not going to pull that out for now because it looks quite pretty in there. We've got our information. Tragically, I don't think you get Apple stickers anymore, which is a shame. However, I guess for their eco-friendly push it is kind of an unnecessary thing just to have. And here is the watch in its paper thing. This is 46mm, mine is a 44, so let's get it out of here, hopefully without ripping it. It's very tight. There we are. And it's turning on. Okay, so it has now turned itself on, and as I say that, it has gone off again. However, it does say to bring iPhone close to Apple Watch. And there we are. It is coming up on the phone, so we're going to continue. Alright, so here we are on the phone. Let's set up for myself. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. It's very magic how these things work. Set up Apple Watch. We're going to leave it on the default left wrist. I always have mine on the right, not that it really makes much difference. Alright, so that is finally done. It took a few attempts. Let's just agree to all this stuff. Text size, probably just keep it on default. It's nice how they both show what's going on at the same time. Skip the sleep stuff for now. Get notifications, sure. all that's good. That double tap thing seems quite cool if it actually works. Yeah, just let it do what it wants, and now it's going to sync, and while it does that we can get to know the watch and learn things about it. I don't really care about any of that, but it is nice that they include all of this stuff to see. Of course, watchOS 11's now out. I've never used it before, so I'm sure there's a lot of good things in there. So yeah, let's just wait for this to do whatever it's doing. Okay, so that's all done and it's saying hello, and yeah, that is it now set up. It's saying the update is complete, and yeah, that should now be it. Okay, so that is all now done and it is ready. So let's put the strap on and see how it looks. So here it is with its strap on, and for comparison here is mine. This is a 44mm, this one is a 46, so the screen is slightly bigger, but just looking at it from the outside you really can't tell much of a difference. There are of course differences, but it's not that obvious. So that is pretty much it. The watch is now set up and looking nice. Of course there's a lot of customization you can do, but that will be it for this video. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.